Is cryptocurrency entering a bear market? 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. No. No, it's not. I can answer that confidently. I'm going to show you why in a second here. And then we're going to go through the 5 things that you need to know in Bitcoin and all of that. But you know what? Actually, before we jump into it, bear markets are determined by overall economic conditions, and bear markets are determined by the overall interest in a subject like Bitcoin. If nobody's buying or if things are falling, then yes, you could be entering a bear market. But let me just show you a very obvious graph. Okay? Now, does this look like we are, and this is us now, we are here. Does this look like we are entering a bear market? No. We would have entered the bear market, and I don't know where the cutoff line would be. You could put it here if you want. We would have entered the bear market back in this territory here in early 2022. We are simply continuing on at low levels of interest right now. In fact, we haven't even entered the bull market yet. The bull market begins when we begin to tick back up. And we have yet to tick back up in terms of interest, and we have yet to tick back up into an economic situation conducive to growth. So in fact, we're gearing up to enter a bull market, not a bear market. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in this video, and we're going to be going over Pepe Unchained as well. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen. And if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, it is very easy to click on Connect Wallet. Now, I use Wallet Connect, but you guys can use any of those options right there to connect your wallet, and then you're going to determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to buy, for example, 23 Ethereum worth, I'll show you why in a second here. You're going to be walking away with 5.35 million Pepe Unchained. Let's talk more about it in a minute. But first, let's talk about these 5 things that you need to know in Bitcoin. It says Bitcoin's price holds $54,000 at the weekly close, giving traders modest confidence on how short-term Bitcoin price action may shape up. CPI and PPI, the Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index, lead a key week of U.S. macro data points. Now, these coming less than 10 days before the Fed's interest rate decision. This is one of the things here that can lead to a bull market rally. This interest rate decision. Because you see, what must happen for a bull market to take place is earnings must be growing. Now, companies' earnings are heavily tied to interest rates and inflation, but earnings must be growing while interest rates and inflation are falling. You can have a perfect bear or bull market situation when that takes place, because when interest rates are low, cash and money is cheap. You can go out there, you can borrow more of it, spend more of it. When inflation is low, that means that prices are cheap. Your dollar goes further. Then when inflation is high, it's more conducive to growth. And when, of course, the earnings are growing, that means companies are growing and they are in a bull market. Crypto funds shed $600 million over the last week, with spot Bitcoin ETFs also seeing steady net outflows. It's not retail investors. Guys, it's institutions dictating prices right now. They're shaking you out so that they can buy more, own more, and control the market into the future. Do not forget that, and do not let them do that. Bitcoin's price performance is looking eerily similar to 2019, according to a fractal, which has remained valid throughout this year. Now, listen, 2019, okay. 2019 led into 2020, and then the 2021 bull market. I get it, right? Prices have been stagnant. 2019 was very stagnant, but what happened after was magical. It was 10, 20, 50x increases across the board, 100, 200x increases in major runners. And we could see that in Pepe Unchained, which is why I'm going to be going over in a second. Bulls are eyeing the odds of a 20% bounce as Bitcoin USD continues a sloping channel in place since March's all-time high. Guys, March was a very nice month. But March only saw interest tick up to a level of 9. How high do you think these prices are going to go when retail actually returns to the space? If retail interest in cryptocurrency surges back to 100 or beyond, if retail interest in cryptocurrency surges back to 80 or beyond, if retail interest simply surges back above a level of 9. Imagine how high these prices are going to go. And Pepe Unchained could lead the pack. Why? Because Pepe Unchained is building for meme coins. It's a layer 2 blockchain specifically developed to host meme coins. And because of that, and because we know retail investors are so interested in meme coins, the demand for this token could surge beyond our wildest expectations in the upcoming bull market rally. Now, I say if you want to buy 23 Ethereum, that sounds like a lot of money, but that is exactly what this whale here did. He went out, bought 23.4 Ethereum, $53,741 worth of Pepe Unchained in a single transaction. Look, I don't know if he knows something that we don't know, but what I think he knows is that when retail investors return to the market, they're going to be returning to meme coins. They're going to be keeping their focus on things like Pepe Unchained. Guys, it's building a layer 2 with instant bridging between its chain and Ethereum. It's got the lowest transaction fees in the game. It's going to be 100 times faster than Ethereum, and it's got its own dedicated block explorer. But this is really important here. It's the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. It's no surprise that Pepe has been able to do Pepe Unchained has been able to do $12.579 million worth of inflows because of its dedication to build for retail investors. It's looking to the future. It's looking forward to that bull market return. And because of that, it has been able to far surpass the vast majority of other pre-sales out there with its demand. And in fact, it's seeing about $200,000 a day worth of inflows, which is better than some of the largest tokens in the entire world that are already trading. I'm excited about Pepe Unchained. I think that when the market is done being afraid, and when the market is done being, you guys can scroll up to CoinMarketCap too, afraid, and people begin buying again, Pepe Unchained can soar in value. I'm excited about it. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are excited about it. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.